Hey, this is Dean from Sciatica now, and I am with Monique, who is in Charlotte, North Carolina, about 40 minutes basically from where I'm at in Concord, North Carolina right now. She got onto the Sciatica group page and started chatting, and I said, let's set up a video consult to try to get you out of some pain. So here we are. She's been dealing with some low back and some buttock and hip issues for the last 2 weeks and was in excruciating pain and said, as soon as you can, please help me. And apparently it came on after a couple long car rides back and forth from Kentucky visiting her family. So she also wanted me to say, if you look over her right shoulder, that is all Christmas stuff that's being packed away. It is not hers. It is her kids. She is a very cleanly person. Walk out that door, the rest of the house is spotless. This was the only room that she can get in order to do this. So this is her kid, not her room. So anyway, Monique, I'm going to turn it over to you. Thanks for allowing me to help you out today and taking me up on this offer. And thanks for letting me use this for marketing purposes. So Monique, tell your story.
No problem. First of all, I'm so glad I found your site because I was in excruciating pain. It started, just a nagging. And then when I got back from driving 7 hours from Kentucky, it was clear that I needed to lay down. So I've been in the bed pretty much off and on for 3 days, doing the patches, 10 unit, icing, whatever I read on the internet. I just happened to stumble on this Facebook group, just reading all the testimonies. So I begged him, please, can we talk today? Because I was busy this morning and he got me on. So I'm super excited about that. But just in the 10, 15 minutes, just doing what he told me to do, I can definitely tell a difference. It's, I read everybody else's testimonies and watched everybody's videos and I'm like, I'm the next one because this pain is no joke. I pray for everybody that has to deal with this because it hurts and it comes out of nowhere. So I'm just so thankful for you making time for me today and doing it for free because a lot of people won't. So I really appreciate you.
Well, I appreciate you taking me up on it, and I'm grateful we were able to help. And thanks for letting me, thanks for being open to do a video testimonial for me.
No problem. With what you just did, I could not do it, if that makes sense.
Awesome. And for those of you out there who are watching this, Monique is not a liar. I met her literally 20 minutes ago. She's actually much less animated right now since I hit the record button, but she's a honest person, and her pain level did significantly decrease when she stood up after a couple of the exercise. She goes, She goes, it's gone. The pain's gone. So
it's weird.
It's weird.
I've tried everything. It is because I've tried everything I read. So for just do a couple exercises, it's amazing. It is.
Good. Well, listen to Monique and please take me up on my free video consults because I don't know how much longer I'll be able to do free video consults. So take me up on the offer.